I feel like somebody is getting ready to write their testimony. I feel like somebody is about to write about what God has done. I believe somebody's getting ready to write the promise that God has given you. It's about to be in writing. You're about to sign it. You're about to sign it. Somebody lift up your right hand. Any hand that you write with. Pastor Reid have to lift up her left and said, I'm going to sign my testimony. I'm going to sign it. 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 I'm going to sign for the miracle. I'm going to sign for the house. I'm going to sign for the car. I'm going to sign for it. God said it's mine. He has released it. And the prince of the power of the air will not be able to stop it, because there are angels that are